Top 10 Best Chinese Cryptocurrency Coins. NEO. Anyone who is into crypto since 2017 knows NEO very well. It was the first Chinese Ethereum alternative, and the coin crossed $200 during the 2017-18 bull run. NEO describes itself as a rapidly growing and evolving ecosystem with the objective of establishing the basis for the upcoming era of the Internet. When it was first released in February 2014, this project, first known as AntShares, was thought to be China's first ever public blockchain. It's frequently compared to the Chinese version of the Ethereum network. NEO is the platform's native token. NEO token holders are rewarded with a part of the network's ownership and may participate in governance by voting for members of the NEO Committee, which governs the NEO blockchain. The NEO Committee performs particular functions, such as keeping the network alive and altering crucial blockchain settings. NEO holders also get a passive distribution of the network utility currency, gas. Though NEO looks dead, with this Chinese narrative warming up, NEO could see a massive pump. VeChain, VET. VeChain, VET, is a flexible enterprise-level Layer 1 smart contract ecosystem. VeChain intends to leverage distributed governance and Internet of Things, IoT, technology to build an ecosystem that addresses key data challenges for a wide range of global businesses, including healthcare, energy, food and beverage, environmental consciousness, and SDG goals. VeChain launched in 2015 as a private consortium chain, collaborating with a number of businesses to study blockchain applications. VeChain began its move to the public blockchain with the ERC-20 token VEN in 2017, before establishing its own mainnet in the year 2018 under the ticker VET. The VET token is used to produce the VTHO token and also serves as a value storage and transmission medium. Conflux, CFX. Conflux is a high-performance Layer 1 consensus blockchain that uses a distinctive tree graph consensus mechanism to enable the simultaneous processing of nodes and transactions for growth in output and scalability. Conflux is touted to be China's sole, regulatory-compliant, public, and permissionless blockchain. It offers a distinct edge for businesses growing and developing throughout Asia and integrating decentralized enterprises to boost the global DeFi ecosystem. Conflux's token economy is dependent on the $CFX token, a measure of value on the protocol that allows token holders to settle transaction costs, gain incentives through staking, rent storage, and partake in network governance. CFX also actively encourages and pays miners that maintain the network's security. Alchemy Pay, ACH. Alchemy Pay, ACH, founded in Singapore in 2018, is a payment solutions company that bridges fiat and crypto markets for customers, merchants, developers, and institutions worldwide. It lets online as well as offline retailers accept both fiat and cryptocurrency while promoting simple onboarding to blockchain ecosystems and rendering Web3 services universally available. Alchemy Pay is now supported in over 70 countries, across 300 payment channels, and has touchpoints with over 2 million merchants thanks to relationships with bigwigs of the industry like Binance, Shopify, NIUM, and QFPay. The ACH coin from Alchemy Pay is an ERC-20 token native to the Ethereum network and is an essential component of the Alchemy Pay ecosystem. It is employed for paying transaction fees, network use rewards, and transaction cost reduction, and it is committed by business associates throughout the onboarding process. Filecoin, Phil. Filecoin is a peer-to-peer system that enables anybody on the internet to save and access files. It has built-in monetary rewards that guarantee that data is consistently and constantly saved and restored for as long as the user desires. Phil is the network and native cryptocurrency of the Filecoin platform. Storage companies get Phil units for file storage. The Filecoin ledger tracks transactions to transfer and collect Phil, together with confirmations from storage servers that serve as proof for their files being stored appropriately. Phil tokens are also employed to work as an economic incentive. This works as an assurance mechanism for the reliable storage of data. Flamingo Finance, FLM. Flamingo Finance serves a decentralized finance, DeFi, protocol enabling individuals to exchange and wrap assets, offer liquidity, and collect interest via staking. The protocol was first introduced by Neo Global Development, NGD, as a vehicle to emphasize Neo's aim to establish the smart economy. The aspect of DeFi was an integral aspect of this vision. Users on Flamingo can accomplish each of these tasks with a lot of ease and simplicity thanks to Flamingo's smart stake function. The Flamingo token, FLM, serves as an incentives token, promoting liquidity providers on the protocol as well as attracting more members to the community. Users could receive FLM simply by putting resources into liquidity pools and performing stakes of their liquidity pool tokens, LP tokens. By the use of smart contracts, the platform enables automatic interactions across cryptocurrency tokens upon the Neo N3 blockchain. High Street is a metaverse and MMORPG platform with decentralization at the core. It is a protocol where both conventional businesses and crypto companies may leverage their platform to effectively incorporate and grow their position in High Street world. High Street has strived for interoperability from its inception, collaborating with important leading experts ranging from platforms like Binance to blockchain networks like AVAX. High tokens are High Street's native utility and governance assets. These tokens find an application in many dimensions. In some game areas, they become necessary to enable progress as well as provide access to unique events. High tokens also serve as the in-game money for premium products. They can be utilized to purchase interesting things that may be a part of the game. On the High Street Marketplace, for example, you may buy real estate or limited edition merchandise using this token. Holders of High tokens also have access to the option of developing and voting on on-chain governance propositions to define upcoming High Street functionalities. The voting power is computed with respect to the proportion of the coins staked. Self-key. Self-key is an identification platform built on the foundation of a blockchain. The program offers a framework for managing identification data for people, businesses, exchanges, fintech firms, and banks, oftentimes KYC. Self-key restricts access to critical information and files saved on it by leveraging both public and private key encryption. Furthermore, Self-key includes a specially designed approach that enables individuals to rapidly exchange their fundamental information such as name, gender, age, or other relevant ID data with external entities as needed. This system is responsible for preventing security breaches and identity fraud. The utility token of Self-key, Key is an ERC20 token as the Self-key identity management system is developed on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Key is the system's primary payment mechanism and can be utilized to access services and items in the marketplace. Key is fundamental to the ecosystem's operation since all the commodities and functionalities offered by the platform are accessible only after the payment of a small fee that is done in terms of the Key token. This fee is then employed to fuel the identity ecosystem through a multitude of disciplines. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below.